Oh, hello, hello, really sorry about that. I was just checking my settings of the cat of my headset because sometimes it doesn't pick up my headset. So, okay, this is Hurricane High Gravity. I just poured a little bit into my cup right now. Yeah, it smells. Oh, this smells really malty. Yeah, really malty. A very strong smell. Yeah, this is like you could smell it out of the can. I did King Cobra right now, and I couldn't even smell that. Like it didn't have. It had a very neutral smell to it. This has a very strong like malt liquor. I guess like like they don't lie about it being a smooth thing. Oh, let me check. Let me check the. Okay, tap into your beer says it's made with water, corn syrup, body malt, rice, hops, hop extract, hop, malt extract. So it's made with water, corn syrup, body malt, rice, hops, hop extract, malt extract. My bad, sorry, it's a lot of ingredient. But I think this beer is mostly like extract. I don't think they even like I don't know. This is not a crafted beer, so there you go. This is what it looks like. It's a very dark color. I would say it looks as dark as it looks in camera. Yeah, I would say it looks that dark. Yeah, 8.1. I don't have the 4 pack that I'm showing on screen, but yeah, I have a 25-ounce can, but I just wanted to I wanted you guys to visualize what I'm drinking. That's why I post a little thing showing what I'm drinking. Because I want to show what you guys are, what I'm having. Okay, smells malty. Let me take a swig. Medium bodied. This is a medium bodied beer. I was saying in my King Cobra review that the King Cobra was light to medium. No, I would say that this is more of a medium bodied. This is a medium bodied beer. Yeah, this good lacing. I mean, I don't know what else to say about this beer. Yeah, be on the can it says be powerful, be smooth, be bold. Yeah, it's a good beer, good crunching beer. There you go. Yeah, I could taste the sweetness. This is a very sweet beer. Yeah, very sweet beer. My bad. I was eating a little bit of food before I started the stream, so still trying to eat while I eat. Yeah, just medium bodied, high alcohol, 8.1. Okay, I think mostly I'm gonna give it for malt liquor. This is one of the smoother ones because I had some of the like I've had Steel Reserve in the past. I've had Old English. I would say this and a beer called Natty Daddy from Anheuser-Busch are pretty smooth. They're pretty smooth beers, Natty Daddy in this. Yeah, smooth tasting. So yeah, I'm gonna give it like an 87 out of 100 for a malt liquor. Yeah, pretty good. I mean, I would say it's on par with the other ones, but I would say this one's smoother than like an Old English or a Steel Reserve. This is a really good beer. So cheers, everybody. Just give me my Hurricane. Maybe I'll just drink some of this can. Oh, this is not can, but this cup. Yeah, smooth. It's just very strong. It has a very strong beer taste to it. If you're not used to beer taste, this is a very strong beer taste too. You have to be prepared for like a strong beer taste because this beer has. It's like Steel. I would say it's on par with Steel Reserve because like Steel Reserve has a very strong taste to it. This I guess is on par with it, but smoother. There you go. Good lacing. Yeah, I would give it like an 87 out of 100 for a malt liquor, for a higher alcohol malt liquor. I haven't tried a lot of them because we don't get a lot in where I live. We only get this and Steel Reserve, so we don't get. We were getting the Colt 45 high gravity, but I never. I made a mistake. I never purchased the high gravity Colt 45, so I never got to try it. So I missed out on it. I shouldn't have bought it when it was available here in my neighborhood. I just never saw it. I saw it for like a year and I never saw it after that again. So I shouldn't have purchased it too. Yeah, cheers everybody. I'm gonna end the review. Cheers.